So here's how to add Google Analytics to your Shopify store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Chrome browser. Once you are logged into your Chrome browser, now here you have to simply search for the shopify.com and then you have to log into your account. Once you are logged into your Shopify account, now here you have to simply go to your Shopify dashboard. Then here in the Shopify dashboard, you have to click on the add apps option at the bottom. Once you click on it, now it will take you to your Shopify app store. Here you have to simply search for the Google Analytics and then you have to install this app. To install the app, you have to simply click on it and then click on the add app option at the bottom of it. Once you click on this option, now it will take you to this page where you have to simply click on the install option at the top right corner, and once you click on the install app option, now this will be successfully installed to your Shopify store. After that, you have to simply connect your Google Analytics account to your Shopify store. So that's how to add Google Analytics to your Shopify store.